morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It's Jimmy Daig and Ruthie Rocks, and we're here for the last week of April, Jimmy. Do you believe it?
I don't believe it. 4 months, a third of the year's gone. It's crazy.
Yeah, right. A third of the year. You're right. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I always think in quarters, but man, you're right on. Wow. Let me just see here if we can. Of course, we can't do this. No. I don't know why I won't do it. We'll do it this way. It's okay. We'll show everybody the stats. So we have 25 days of inventory. We're holding steady with it. We have 2,319 single-family homes available, and there are 600 of those are 465 or under. And I think we talked last week about our new median price is up now to 475. So we'll see how that plays out by the end of the month. Isn't that amazing? I can't believe it. You know, Jimmy, I did a stat here earlier about the number of agents who, 7,799 of the 14,000 realtors have done more than one deal.
More than one?
7,000, yes, one or more, excuse me.
Okay, so they've done something.
Yeah, they did something. Thank you. So 2,683 of them did only one deal.
Okay, that sounds right.
Yeah, and that means 5,000, over 5,000 did more than one.
Right.
Yeah, that's a third. You know.
Yeah, that's a.
And I looked at a little deep into the details, and a lot of the people that did one deal, they were doing 500, 600, 700,000, $1 million. So when you look at those, that particular stat, those are people that are probably going to make between 30 and 50,000 this year, and they're probably very happy with that. It's not bad. It's not bad, especially if it's a 2-income family.
Well, and it's part-time work. If you did one deal in 4 months, that's part-time work. So you can make 50 grand a year from part-time work. That's pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, and I heard over the weekend that there are some major loan banks and loan companies that are laying off loan officers. Have you heard that?
I would be shocked if they were not.
Yeah.
Because all the refis that made sense when the rates were 3% are gone.
They are.
And refis was 50% of their business at least. And so what they call low-hanging fruit, I was actually going to ask a couple lenders. I have a friend that was going to go to work for a lender doing some lead generation, and they just said, we're having a hiring freeze. Well, no shock.
No shock, right? And we sell 125 homes a day, and we know that a third of those are investors with cash. So when you look at how many homes sell a day, let's say we're selling,
that's 80 a day. That's about 80 a day, not to investors.
Right. And a lot of those are cash buyers too. So, you know, I think that when you look at the stats, there's not a lot of loans to go around.
It would not be a good time to be a loan officer right now, for sure.
Yeah. Just things to think about when you're out there. And one of the things that I was talking to a lender last week, one of the things that they have been doing in anticipation of the rates going up is, guess what? Planning and farming and using their database to reach out to people.
Well, we should talk about that sometime.
I can't stop talking about it. I was helping an agent this past week that she went through a divorce, and she's had some issues, and so she's really she feels like she's starting over, even though she's been in the business 15 years.